Today I wanted to talk about this Breville Immersion blender set. It's got a bunch of pieces and I've had it for quite some time, and I just wanted to talk about what I like about it and what I use the most, and why I would recommend it. So it's kind of this modular kit. It's got, first of all, it's got the actual immersion blender, which I think is really great. You can set the speed at the top and there's a trigger right here. And what I like about the blender itself is it's actually one of the best ones I've ever had. It's got these cutout notches here, and while you're blending, say you're making, like, say, a tomato sauce in a pot, it doesn't get jammed up, because this creates some kind of suction and like almost like a vortex in the pot. So it works really well. I've had other ones that don't have this and they get kind of like jammed up and gunked up and you have to take tomato skins and stuff out. So that's what I like. But surprisingly, the thing I like the most about this is not the immersion blender, which I do use, but not that often. It's this little chopper. It comes with a top that you snap on. There's a blade, and it's almost like a little mini food processor. And to be honest, unless I'm doing a big job, I'd rather not break out my processor and have to clean all those parts. So I'll use this to make, you just put in your herbs or whatever it is you want to chop. I like to make sauces and like salad dressings in here. It works really well. And the cool thing is, once you've got your sauce or whatever it is made, you can take out the chopper, put the top on, and keep it in the fridge or bring it to the table. So this is actually my favorite part of the whole kit. It does come with other things, like it's got this mixer. To be honest, I've never once used it, but I'm sure if you want to beat eggs or something, you can with that. And it also comes with this handy measuring cup that the top fits on. So you could use this for storage of, whatever it is you make in the fridge. So that's pretty nice, and you can serve with it. But I would say overall, the blender and the chopper are my go-tos, and I use this like several times a week. So overall, recommend this product. So that is my honest review.